Wow, fruits! Hi, little artists! How are you today? We are going to draw and color some yummy fruits. First, let's draw an orange with a few circles. Then, another circle for an apple. That's right, an apple. Next fruit is banana. That's right, a banana. And finally, let's draw a pineapple. Well done! Now, let's make the outlines darker with a black pen. Now it's coloring time. Let's start with the orange. We'll color the peel orange. Then we will color the inside orange too. And yellow for the middle. Kids, now let's color a yummy apple. Let's use a red pencil. Good job! Now let's use brown for the stem. And a nice green for the leaf. It's time to color the banana. A yellow and yummy banana. I love bananas. What about you? Good job! Now it's the pineapple's turn. Let's color it light brown. And finally, green for the pineapple's leaves. with a little shading, we are done. Ta-da! We did it! If you want to see more of our videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon! Bye!